Can AI actually make origami? Or will it completely fail? Today I'm testing if AI can create a real origami Easter bunny. So I had this idea. What if I let AI teach me how to fold an origami bunny? And then I also let AI try to fold it itself. Let's see what happens. Part 1. First, I asked ChatGPT to give me step-by-step instructions for an origami Easter bunny. And honestly, the instructions actually look pretty good. So I followed them exactly, and this is the result. Part 2. Alright, now it's time for the real test. Can AI actually fold origami? I tried to generate a video of an AI folding a bunny. Wow, seriously? Alright, let's try again. Hours later. What is this? That is not how origami works. Yeah, AI is definitely struggling here. Conclusion. So, can AI make origami? Not really. At least not yet. But it was actually pretty fun to test. If you want to see how to properly fold a real origami Easter bunny, check out my full tutorial on my channel. Thanks for watching.